Step turning 2. Write CNC program for given workpiece as shown below. This is a drawing. All the dimensions are given here. We have to write the CNC program and simulate the CNC program using Cutviewer turn software. This is a process plan, operation plane turning, tool T1 with required tool geometry. Cutting parameters are speed, feed, depth of cut, speed 200, feed 60, depth of cut 1 mm. So this is the required program for machining operation. So we have to simulate the CNC program using Cutviewer turn software. So this is Cutviewer turn software. File new Fanuc 01234 G21 G97 G98 G28 U0W0 M06 T1 M03 S200 M08 N01. So this is program block. Up to M08 is startup block. Now I am writing the programming block. N01 G00 X0Z1 N02 G00 X0Z0 N03 G00 X29Z0 N04 G01 X29 Z-70 F60. So this is the tool geometry. In this problem also we are using standard tool. (30 mm diameter, 100 mm length. Then N04 G01 X30 Z-70 F60 N05 G00 X30 Z0 N06 G00 X28 Z0 N07 G01 X28 Z-70 F60 N08 G01 X30 Z-70 F60 N09 G00 X30 Z0 okay. N10 G00 X27 Z0 N11 G01 X27 Z-50 F60 N12 G01 X30 Z-50 F60 N30 G00 X30 Z0 N40 G00 X26 Z0 N50 G00 X26 Z-50 F60 N60 G0, here is G01 G01 X30 Z-50 F60 N70 G00 x30 z0. So this is okay. So up to this is programming block. Then we have end of block M05, M09, M38, M10, M30.